How to avoid penalties when moving your 457b into a Gold IRA. If you're planning to move your retirement savings into physical gold, understanding how to avoid penalties when moving your 457b into a Gold IRA is crucial. A single mistake can trigger taxes, fees, or disqualification of your IRA. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. These simple steps will help you complete a smooth, penalty-free rollover. 1. Know which type of 457b you have. Governmental 457b plans can be rolled into a Gold IRA after you leave your employer. Non-governmental 457bs usually cannot be rolled into a Roth. Confirming this upfront prevents accidental taxable distributions. 2. Always choose a direct rollover. A direct, trustee-to-trustee, rollover sends funds directly to your new Gold IRA custodian. Benefits: no taxes withheld. No early withdrawal penalties. No 60-day deadline. Avoid indirect rollovers, they require redeposit within 60 days and come with automatic 20% withholding. 3. Use an IRS-approved Gold IRA custodian. Make sure your custodian is qualified to handle precious metals or Roths. They should offer IRS approval, secure storage partners, clear fees, experience in gold or Roths. This helps you stay compliant from the start. 4. Buy only IRS-approved metals. Gold must be 99.5% pure, and only certain coins and bars qualify. Avoid collectibles or rare coins. Using unapproved metals can disqualify your entire IRA. 5. Avoid prohibited transactions. To stay penalty-free, don't store gold at home. Don't use IRA gold as collateral. Don't buy metals from yourself or family. All metals must stay in an IRS-approved depository. 6. Keep all documentation. Save your rollover confirmations, custodian correspondence, and purchase records. Proper documentation protects you during audits. 7. Review everything with a financial professional. A tax or retirement expert can confirm eligibility, timing, and compliance before you finalize the rollover. Understanding how to avoid penalties when moving your 457b into a Gold IRA ensures you protect your savings while gaining the stability of physical gold. By choosing a direct rollover, using approved custodians, following IRS rules, and avoiding prohibited transactions, you can complete a smooth and fully compliant transition into a Gold IRA. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.